how to use Instagram voice changer. Firstly, you'll have to open the Instagram app and make sure that you have logged in your account. And now from here on this interface, you'll have to swipe left from the home screen to open the recording section. And from here in the bottom in the effects section, you'll have to swipe right and you have to swipe at the end and go with the options browse effects. So simply have to go with the browse effect option. And now from here, you'll have to go with the option search button. So it will appear at the first. So simply you have to go with the option search. And now from here, you'll have to search it voice. Okay, so from here, you'll got options to change your voice, like it will be a different effect. So you can choose any one of this. So I will choose voice effects. Okay, so from here, you can choose the specific voice effects on your Instagram recording. So from there, you can record your video with the specific voice changer effect. So this is the easiest and simplest method to use the Instagram voice changer. And if you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.